Alright, so welcome back to Onward Web Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to create this kind of stuff on your website. So if you come over here and drag it to the left and right, you will see the before and after effect. And if you come to this side, you will see the heading, subheading, and the button. I will also show you how to create this button, and all you need is to watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you step by step on how everything was done. All right, so that's not all. So this website is fully responsive. It is looking responsive on both desktop, tablet, and mobile device. So let us check it out. So come here. Okay, so this is exactly how it is looking on the mobile device. So you can see it is fully responsive. Alright, so let us check how exactly it looks on the tablets. So come here. Okay. Alright, so this is exactly how it is looking on the tablet. So as you can see, it is responsive here. So as you can see, it is actually responsive. If you drag it to the left and right, it is responsive. And if you come over here, so you can see it is actually responsive. So today I'm going to show you how to create everything from A to Z. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard. Alright, so let us go to WordPress. Right, so let me, okay. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your WordPress dashboard. Alright, so this is my WordPress dashboard, and the next thing to do is to install the plugins. So come over here, come to plugins. Alright, so I've already installed the two plugins we're going to use because I don't want this video to be too long. So the two plugins are Elementor and Unlimited Element for Elementor. So if you want to install these two plugins, so just come over here, come to add plugins. Alright, so come over here and search for Elementor. Alright, so this is Elementor. Alright, so I've already installed it and activated it, and the plugin is Unlimited Elements. So search for Unlimited. So search for Unlimited Elements. Alright, so this is the second plugin, Unlimited Elements for Elementor. So make sure that you install the two plugins because they are very crucial and important. So the next thing you want to do is to come over to Appearance and come to Themes. Alright, so we are making use of this theme, which is Cadence. So for you to install this Cadence, just come to Add Theme and search for Cadence. And if you don't want to search for Cadence, just come to Popular, you will see Cadence. Yeah, so just install the Cadence theme and activate it. So after installing the plugins and the theme, so the next thing to do is to come over here. So come to Pages. Alright, so I've already created these pages because I don't want this video to be too long. So go to any of the page where you want to have the before and after effects. So I'm making use of the home page. So just click on edit. Yeah, so the next thing you have to do right now is to click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so it will take you to Elementor. So here you can build your website from scratch. Alright, so let me cancel this. Alright, so this is what we have right now. So the first thing we have to do right now is to create the background just the way we have it here. So you can see that we have a background, and that is the first thing we are going to do. So for us to create a background, so we need to drag in a container. So this is a container, and the next thing, increase the height of the container. All right, okay, so I think this is okay. So and the next thing to do, come over to style. All right, background type, come over to classic, and come over to image. All right, so this is the image we're going to use as the background. So this image will be available. Just go to the description. You will see the link to download all the elements used on this website so that you can follow step by step and create it as well. So select the image. All right, so click on select. All right, so this is what we have right now. So the next thing to do is for us to adjust the background. And how do we do that? So come over here, position, put it to center, then repeat, no repeat, then display size, cover. All right, so this is what we have right now. As you can see, it is looking perfectly. So the next thing we have to do right now is to create this heading, this side and this side. So on this container we have two parts, the left and the right. And how do we do that? So we create two rows. So this is how we do that. So come back here. All right, so come to add elements, so drag in a container. All right, so this container, so come over here, right click on it and duplicate it. So this is what we have right now, but we don't want it to be on top of this one. We want it to be side by side so that we can have this part and this part. So how do we do that? So come over here, so come to the models container. All right, then come to layout and look for direction. So this is the direction, so click here. Yeah, so it is now horizontal, side by side. So if you click here, it will be vertical. You understand? So we want it to be horizontal. All right, so this is what we have right now. So the next thing we have to do right now is to create these parts. Yeah, and how do we do that? I'm going to show you. It is very easy to create. So come over here, come to add elements, so drag in another container inside this container. And the reason why we are doing this is for us to be able to adjust our elements the way we want. All right, so this container, let us adjust it to the middle. All right, so come over here. All right, come over here, not this, come over here, then come to layout, justify content, click on center. All right, so we have it at the middle. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do right now is that we are going to drag in another widget inside this container. So come to add elements and search for before. All right, so as you can see, nothing is showing. So what we have to do right now is to publish the website. All right, and go back to our WordPress dashboard. But before that, let us duplicate this. All right, okay, so let us go back to our WordPress dashboard. So come over here, exist to WordPress. So click here. Alright, so look for unlimited elements for Elementor, one of the plugins we installed. So click on it. Alright, so come to widgets and come to here, search for before. Search for before. Alright, search for before. So you will see this before after. So the next thing you do is to click on install. Alright, so it has been installed. So right now let us go back to our Elementor. Alright, so the next thing you do is to reload this website. Alright, yeah, so come to add elements, search for before. Alright, so as you can see, we now have the widgets. So drag in the widgets, drag it here. Alright, so this is what we have right now. So this is the before and after effects. So if you come over here, so this before and after is a combination of two images. Yeah, so the first image is the before image. So click on choose image. Alright, so click on upload files. Alright, so this is the image you want to use as the before. So click on it, open. Then select. Alright, so this is what we have right now. So the next thing to do right now is to upload the after image. So click on choose image, upload file, select files. Alright, so this is the image you want to use as the after image. Alright, so click on select. Alright, so this is what we have right now. So as you can see, it is taking shape. Alright, so that's not all. So the next thing we have to do is to adjust this image to the bottom so that we can have it this way. Alright, so for us to do that, so come over here, so click on this container. Yeah, so come to advanced and scroll down, come to transform, then come to offset, then here, so you just have to increase it. Alright, so as you can see, it is looking perfectly just the way we want it. Alright, so we are done with this part. So the second part is this heading, subheading, and this button. So let us go and create it. Alright, so we want to create it inside this container, and the first thing we are going to do is to drag in another container inside this container. Alright, so that we'll be able to adjust our element the way we want it. Alright, so we need to adjust this container to the middle, and this is how we do that. So come over here. Alright, come over here, not this, come over here. Yeah, so come to layout, so justify content, center. So right now we have it at the center, and the next thing we need to do right now is to come to add elements. So we are going to drag in our heading. Alright, so this heading, simply duplicate it. All right, so yeah, so this is what we have. Experience your brightest smile. So come over here, so just copy it, come over here. So let us change the text, paste. So this is what we have right now. So let us change the color to black. Okay, all right, so let us change the color to black. All right, so about the typography, so we need to change the, okay, come back here. So let me make use of this Chrome extension. All right, so the font is Poppins and the size is 51. Okay, so Poppins, so for the width it is 800. All right, and for the size, so the size is 51. All right, so let us increase the size to 51. Okay, all right, so for the 9 height it is 66. Okay, so the 9 height is 66. All right, so this is what we have. All right, so as you can see, our website is taking shape. So the next thing is the subheading. Copy. All right, so this is what we have. So the next thing is to change the color. All right, so come over here. So the font is Poppins and the size is 20. So come to typography, Poppins. So this is what we have, and the size is 20. All right, so for the width it is 400. Okay, let us set it to 400. So this is what we have right now. All right, all right, all right. So as you can see, the gap between the heading and the subheading is too much. Okay, so let us adjust the gap between them, and for us to do that, so just come here, so click on this subheading, then click on advanced, so come over to transform and come to offset. All right, so let us give it minus, okay, so I think this is okay, minus 47. Yeah, so this is what we have right now. Regain your confidence with our advanced state treatment. So let me check the line height. All right, let me check the line height. So the line height is 26. So come over here, come to style, typography. So for the line height, 26. All right, so as you can see, it is looking perfectly okay. So the next thing we need to do right now is to create this button, book appointment button. And for us to do that, so come over here, add elements and search for liquid. So as you can see, we can't find anything here. so we can't find anything. So well, what we need to do right now, just publish this website. All right, so the next thing, go to your WordPress dashboard and come to unlimited elements, just the way we did for before and after effects. So come to widgets. All right, so come over here and search for liquid button. All right, so this is what we are looking for. So this is the liquid button. So click on install. All right, so it has been installed. So go back to your Elementor, and the next thing you have to do right now is to load the website. So you can actually install all the widgets you want to install even before coming to Elementor. But the reason why I'm doing this is for you to fully understand the process. All right, so come over here and search for liquid. All right, so as you can see, it is now available. So drag it under this subheading. All right, so this is what we have right now. So the next thing to do right now is to adjust it to the left, just the way we have it here. So adjust it to the left, and to do that, come to advanced, save align, start. All right, so yes, so here is it. So the next thing to do is for us to customize this button. So if you look here, you can see we have this button in white border and black color. So come over here, so come to style. So the background, we set it to white. All right, so the gradient, set it to black, and the gradient 2, we set it to black as well. All right, so this is what we have right now. And for the typography, come over here, the font family is also Poppins. All right, so the next thing we have to do right now is to change the text. So come to content and let us change it to book appointment. Book appointment. All right, so as you can see, so this is what we have right now, book appointment. So you can actually adjust the button anyhow you want it. So you can see, so this is what we have right now. So this is how to create it. So you can decide to adjust this button to close up this gap, and for you to do that, so just come over here, so click on the button and come to advanced, then come to transform, offsets, then come here, then minus, okay, so I think it is actually okay like this, minus 32. All right, so this is what we have right now. All right, so as you can see, it is looking beautiful and stunning. All right, but that's not all, because if you come over here, you can see it is not responsive on the tablet, and if you come to the mobile, it is not responsive as well. So let us make it responsive. All right, so first let us work on the tablets. Okay, so the first thing we have to do right now is to readjust this text. Okay, so come here, so click on this text, so come to style. All right, so typography, so let us reduce it. All right, so okay, so I think it is okay like this. So the next thing we have to do right now is to decrease the line height. So come over here. So for the line height, so we have 66. All right, so I think this is okay. All right, so we have 4.6, and I think this is actually okay. All right, so okay, let us, all right, so it is okay like this. And this one, let us decrease the size. So click on it, then come to style, typography. So for the size, all right, so I think 15 is okay. Okay, this is actually okay. And for the button icon, so we can actually leave it like this, or you can decide to readjust it. So come over here, click on the button icon, so come to style, then typography, so you can actually reduce it. Right, so what exactly am I doing? Okay, so I think this is actually okay like this. All right, so you can do whatsoever you want with the button. All right, so so you can come to the border radius, so you can reduce it, and everything you want to do, you can actually do it. All right, so for this image, so click here. All right, so I think this should be the first thing we do. So click here, so click here, come to advanced, so come to transform, come to offset. Yeah, okay. All right, so this is what we have right now. Yeah, but it's not looking exactly how I want it to look. So I think we should increase this image. So for us to increase the image, so just come here, click on this container, so come to scale. All right, so this is what we have. So after that, come to offset. Yeah, all right, so this is what we have right now. Yeah, so as you can see, it is looking perfect. All right, so as you can see, it is now responsive on the tablet device. All right, so just click on publish. So the next one is the mobile device, so let us make it responsive. So the first thing we're going to do, so click on this text, and let us reduce the size. So come to typography. All right, so let us reduce the size. Okay, so this is what we have. So we are going to align it to the middle. So come to alignment, center. So this is what we have right now. So you can decide to increase it more. So come to typography, and let us increase the font. All right, so this is what we have right now. And for the subheading, so just click on the subheading. All right, now, so also align it to the middle. So alignment center. All right, so this is what we have. So you can actually leave it like this. So it is looking good. So for the button, so click on the button and align it to the middle as well. All right, so align center. So right now we have it at the center. All right, so let us work on this image. So come over here, so click on edit the container, so come to advanced. All right, so come to transform and come to scale. So let us reduce this image, it is actually too big. All right, okay, all right, so okay, all right, so come to offsets, so come here, so -13. So this is what we have right now. So as you can see, it is now responsive on the mobile device. So this is what we have. All right, so it is looking good. Okay, click on publish. All right, so come to, all right, so this is how we have it on the desktop. So on the tablet, this is what we have. So on the mobile, this is what we have. So you can see it is actually responsive. So this is the end of this video. So make sure you subscribe, like and comment, and share this video to other people. See you again in the next video.